Guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing my Sephora VIB savings event haul. I think that's the name. So if you did watch my Sephora sale recommendation, I did place an order. The first order I placed it on the exact date. I think it was the 5th of November. I got my package the next week, and I really don't know exactly what happened, but some items were not included. And if you did watch that recommendation, I did mention I think I had like 20 or 29 items in my cart. So I think maybe when I was like taking things that I wasn't really like, oh, I need them now, maybe I took some of the perfumes out, so I had to like place a second order, and that second order took forever, and it came last week. So I didn't want to do two different videos. I just wanted to just put them all together, so I had to wait for that. So this is the first box. This is the first one that came, and this is just the receipt with their credit card if you want to get it. So first thing I'm gonna get out of here is by the Untitled. So this is the salicylic acid cleanser. So I wanted to try this because it says it's for blemish prone skin, oily skin, reduce blackheads and breakouts. Now if you did watch the Sephora recommendation video I did mention one of my favorite is the Youth to the People, which was one that was in my cart. But because this one says it helps reduce blackheads and breakouts and is good for oily skin, I thought let me give this one a try. This is how it looks like. I thought of giving it a try because I do have acne prone skin and I do have oily skin. So I was like, let me just give this one a try. And you could use it in the morning and at night. The Youth to the People cleanser, I do like it, but that one, it's not geared towards blackheads and breakouts, but it's a really nice cleanser. But this one was literally a fraction of the price, so I was like, let me just go with this one, and we'll see how it is. And yeah, so another thing I got from the Untitled is this one right here. This is the Oat Cleansing Balm. So as I was purchasing that one, I saw this and I was like, let's see what it's hitting for. And it says it's best for normal sensitive skin, helps to remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skin. So I do have my pharmacy and I do have some drugstore cleansing balms, but I wanted to try this one out. The reviews were so on it, but I still wanted to try it out just to see how I would like it. So this is how it looks like, and I cannot wait to try it out. I like to use like my drugstore cleansing balms and not so much my pharmacy cleansing balm. I use it like once in a while because of course it's more expensive. So I like to use my drugstore ones because those, they're not, you know, they're affordable, so I could repurchase. So this one is also affordable. I decided to try it out, and if I like it, it'll definitely be a repurchase. So I got these two. And then I got 4 items from Liz Beauty or LYS. I wanted to get more of their items, more of their like their bronzer. Not well. Do I want to know? No, I got all the bronzers I needed. I wanted to get like another blush and the other highlighters they have, but I was like, girl, let's do one at a time, okay? So I already have one bronzer and one blush from them, so I added another blush. This one is the Satin Matte Cream Blush, and this one is in the shade Empower, and this is how she looks like. So freaking pretty. I think there's like 2 other blushes that I want, but I was like, even though it is very affordable, I was like, let's just get them, you know, slowly, because I do have a lot of makeup. Let me just, and then this one, oh, this one's a setting powder. I did get one of the setting powders. See it now. Yeah, this is how it looks like. They have a darker one, which I was thinking of getting it for like an all over face powder, but it looked really deep, which is nice, but I wasn't sure if it would work for me as an all over face powder, so I didn't get it. And then I did get, is this a bronzer? I think it's a bronzer. No, I got, this is the highlighter. So I got one of the highlighters. I believe they have 3 so far. This one is in Fearless. Look how pretty this is. Like, oh my goodness, it is so pretty. This one is the deepest one they have. After that, the other 2, I think one is like a bright shiny color gold, and the other one I think is like a rose gold. This one is the bronze gold, and I usually like with highlighters I will always go with like the bronze shade, and then if I like the formula and so on, then I'll try the other one. So I got the bronze gold, and this one is the other bronzer. If you did watch my recommendation, I did mention that I had got one of the bronzers from BoxyCharm when I chose it for my choice item, and it was the deepest shade. So this is the shade before that one. This one is in Strength. So freaking pretty, so pretty. And yeah, if y'all seen my nails, yeah, I took my nails off, so they're looking pretty bad right now. So yeah, so I love the freaking packaging of this brand. Like, it just looks so pretty, so pretty. So these three are like shiny, and this one is matte. Okay, so the next thing in here is the Tower 28. I got their little lip gloss duo, and it says just add milky. It's so cute. It says Ice Latte Lip Jelly Duo, and the shades are chestnut and this clear one, which is chill. This is how they look like. So pretty. I'm not really a fan of like clear lip gloss because I'm like, it's a clear lip gloss, but I wanted to try this one and they came together. So, and it was like a better deal than buying it separate. So yeah, this is chestnut right here. Really pretty. The clear looks pretty too, but again, it's just a clear lip gloss. But yeah, so I got these two. And then I've wanted the Supreme Nude palette since the last sale, but it sold out. I believe it sold out again during this sale, but it's probably back in stock now. But yeah, it sold out last sale that they had, so this sale I was like, I'm gonna get it. Okay, so I got the Supreme Nude palette. They do have the bronze one, which also looks really pretty, but since this one was one that was literally on my wish list on Sephora for a long time, I decided to just get it. So this is how it looks like. So pretty. See if you guys could see. Yeah, I could see the actual colors. And these are just my vibes. Like, I just love plain nude browns tone. So we got that. And then I did get the milk little duo that they had going on. Instead of me buying another one of the primer, I got this, and I like the little bag. So I just got this because I do have the actual setting spray in my wish list as well. But since I do have oily skin, I really did not want to get the full size because, you know, I believe this is a hydrating setting spray, so I didn't want to get the full size just in case I don't really like it. So I do like the fact that they have I think this is 1.69 fluid ounce, and this one is on the actual Sephora site that you could buy by itself. So since they had this with the full size primer, I decided to get them together, and this set was just a little bit like $2-3 more than the actual cost of the primer by itself. So I got another one of the primers because I really do like the milk primer. And then what else is in this box? Okay, I just have two more things in here. I got two perfumes. I got the Sol de Janeiro perfume. I do have one of the body spray, so I decided to just add the perfume. Decided to just add the perfume to my collection. So this is how the perfume looks like. It is so cute. It's so cute. And I'm gonna just place it. Let me just do it now. Just place it right here with my other little gold set perfumes. But yeah, so I wanted to add it because the body spray smells so good that I know that one probably smells amazing. And then I did get the Voce Viva Valentino perfume. This is how this one looks like. It's so cute. And I did get the 1 fluid ounce, I think. This is, yeah, 1 fluid ounce. I'm gonna place this on the other side of my perfume trays. But yeah, it's so cute. And this perfume smells so freaking good. Like, every time I would go inside Sephora, I would always smell it. I decided to just get the small one because I have a good amount of high-end and affordable perfumes. So I'm pretty sure that one's gonna last me a good amount of time. So I'm gonna get to the other box. Okay, so the other box, I don't have that much stuff in it, but same thing. just the receipt. I did place the other receipt in that. That's why I have two. But this is everything that's in it. You guys probably can't really see, but I've had the Ole Henriksen Toner in my wish list at Sephora forever, but this is something also that kept going in and out of stock. And they have the smaller size, but when I saw that they came out with the full size, which is this one is 10 fluid ounce, I wanted to get this one because all of the reviews on Sephora about this is like really good. So I just wanted to get the full size because I'm the type of person, if you give me options and then there's a bigger option, I'm gonna go for the big one. So this one is a dark spot toner, and you know, I do have oily acne prone skin, so you know, when I get breakouts, which thank goodness I don't get them all the time, but when I do get them, they usually do leave dark spot. So I wanted to try this out because all of the reviews are really good about this product. And they also have the green one, which is for oil control, I believe, but when I was making my purchase, it was out of stock. So hopefully next time I'll try it out. And then after that, everything else is just perfumes in here. I did get the Marc Jacob perfume, the Perfect. I do want to get the intense one that they came out with for this one, but since this one was one that I really wanted, I decided to just get it for now. And I'm pretty sure you guys know how it looks like, but this is how she looks like. So pretty. So we're adding her to the collection. And then I saw this is by Maison Margiela in replica. And every time I go inside Sephora, you guys, I always spray their perfume. Them and Tom Ford Lost Cherry. I don't like Bitter Peach. Bitter Peach to me is just, maybe she'll grow on me, but I don't like her right now. But Lost Cherry, you guys, but I just cannot, I just cannot see myself spending all of that on one perfume. Like, yes, you know, I like to treat myself, and yes, I like nice things and stuff like that, but I don't know about that one. But I always spray it on me every time I go inside Sephora. And also Maison Margiela. So I saw this kit right here, and I did want to add one of them to my collection. So since they had this set, this holiday set, I was like, I might as well just get it because it did come with one of them that I really like, which is By the Fireplace. And this was the 1 fluid ounce. So I believe, like, yeah, when I got these, I was like, these are pretty small. But this is actually on Sephora. You know, I'm pretty sure if you love perfume and whatnot, you already know this is on Sephora for like $72. This is the 1 fluid ounce right here, and this is how it looks like. And it is $72, I believe, retail on Sephora by itself. So yeah, so I was just like, this is pretty small, okay? So again, as I mentioned, these are actually on the site for $72, and I believe the full size is $135 or something like that, around that price range. So I decided to get this set. This is the inside of it. This is how it comes. Like, I decided to just get this set because instead of me paying $72 for this by itself, I get both of them, you know. And then it came with Bubble Bath, which is this one. Now, I don't remember how this one smelled like because I know every time I go inside Sephora, I always spray By the Fireplace on me, and I always spray Jazz Club on me, and I always spray Coffee Break on me because I love those. And I believe they came out with a new one called Autumn, which I actually like. The sales associate was telling me like she was disappointed with it because to her it didn't smell like autumn, but to me it did because autumn, woods, like it literally smells like the name. All of them smells like the name. It smells like wood, like literally wood. But she was expecting it to smell like, you know, chocolate, like stuff like that, you know, with autumn. But it literally smells like you're like in the woods and then like leaves are falling and you're smelling the woods. I actually like that one too. So I don't remember if I've ever sprayed Bubble Bath on me. I don't think I've had because yeah, I don't think I have, because it says it's a comforting clean accord, so I'm assuming it's like a clean scent, and I'm not huge on like clean scent perfumes like that. So now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think I ever tried that one. I know that I've tried By the Fireplace, Jazz Club, Coffee Break, and Autumn, but since this one came with By the Fireplace, I was like, let me just go ahead and get it. And I really feel as if like this is a really good deal for your money. Now if they do it again and have the other ones, I'm definitely going to purchase those as well. So we got that. And then the last thing in here, I did get, if you watch my vlogs, I did purchase one of these already. Now, I don't know if these are still on sale. I believe a lot of them went out of stock. So I decided to just get this one because I really want Vanilla Woods. Now, the first one I got, I exchanged a gift card, the whatever it's called, the certificate, for the Clean Reserve Radiant Nectar, because that one was definitely a better value for the whole set. Because I think that one... No, I don't think that one, it's the full size, but it's not the most expensive one, but it's like a full 3-point-something ounce. So I did trade it in for that one, but I really like Vanilla Woods because I do like vanilla scented perfumes. Oh, I'm like, why is it not opening? It's not, I don't have scissors with me, and there's like tape on the side, so I can't open it. But basically you get, let me turn it around. So basically this is how it is. You get the little samples of the perfumes, and then you get the little card. I would show it to you guys, but again, yeah, I took my nails off and they're not looking the best. And then you get this little certificate right here, and then you go back to the store and you exchange that certificate for whichever one of these that you like. So the first one I bought it with my points. If you didn't know, if you have 2,500 points, you could exchange that for $100, so for a gift card. So I have a lot of points on Sephora that I don't use because I just feel as if like their rewards that they have are just a joke, so I don't spend my points on them. So I usually just like let my points sit and then do the $100 gift card. Okay guys, so that's everything. The first box I forgot to get samples, but with this box I did get 2 samples. I got the Fresh brand, and this is the soy face cleanser, which is a really good cleanser. And then I got the Youth to the People, the green tea cleanser, which is also a really good cleanser. So that's everything that I got. I watch a good amount of other videos, and I see other things that other people got, other things that I added to my wish list for the next sale. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for coming back and watching another one. Bye.